Hi, hello my dear CA intermediate students. Hope your preparation is rocking for Jan'26 exam. And as you know that the exam schedule is out starting from Jan'6. Now you have only 3 months left in your hand. Your preparation should be so effective that in these 3 months you need to complete all the 6 papers, preparation as well as revision, and you should be gearing up for Jan'26 exam. Remember soldiers, it's do or die situation. You need to clear, no other go. The competition is rising. Attempt after attempt, lot of students are coming in, and it is very difficult nowadays in order to clear intermediate even though there are 6 papers, because the kind of questions that they are asking and the way in which they are twisting and using AI to set the question papers, all these things, come on, you're going to face a very difficult battle. So which means that your preparation should be so good that come what may. Tell to ICI, let's see, it is you versus ICI, and you're going to win this battle. Definitely you should win this battle. Ensure that you are getting the maximum marks in every subject. You have effectively 80 days, even though it looks like 3 months, but here and there some days will go off because of Diwali, etc. and all. Literally 80 days. In these 80 days, you need to complete 6 papers, and properly, strategically, you need to make your preparation schedule. And you have to score exemptions in every subject and also aim for rank. Why? Why should I aim for rank? This will definitely boost your morale and confidence for your CA final. Plus, articleship. You can choose amazing firms and kickstart your career. So just imagine where you are doing your articleship in big reputed firms, wherein you got the entry, then you are preparing for final, already you got a rank at intermediate level. Definitely that will push you further to score a rank to aim for a rank in final also. Now, what you need to do, just leave everything, all other kind of deviations, and focus on your exams. So remember, this Jan'26 is your final CA intermediate attempt. Just believe in that. Daily morning you get up and just see somewhere you write on the wall, Jan'26, you're going to clear CA Inter at any cost. Manifest, and it will happen. It will happen. I manifested many things in my life, truly, and it will happen. It may be delayed, but it will happen one day, definitely. So now it is the power of manifestation. You can definitely do. Ensure that daily morning when you get up. So what is that you need to do for today? And before you go for sleep, so whether I have achieved whatever I have kept as a target, ensure that you are cross-verifying this. Definitely miracles do happen, and just believe in yourself. Then coming to our subject, indirect taxes, paper 3B. What are all the portions which are applicable for Jan'26? I don't know for which attempt you have attended the classes. Suppose if you have attended the classes for May 25 or September 25, seriously, I don't know. So why we need to know this is that what are all the amendments that are applicable for Jan'26 exam. Literally, there are no amendments from September 25 to Jan'26. As you all know, if you are appearing for Jan'26, all the changes up to 30th June 2025 will be applicable for Jan'26. And for September 25 attempt, all changes up to February 2025. March, April, May, June, Indian government was busy in Operation Sindoor. We did not have any GST council meetings, etc. and all. So due to that reason, these 4 months, they did not give any changes in the form of circulars or notifications, etc. That's the reason why. Whatever amendments which are applicable for May 25 and September 25, that will be applicable for Jan 26. So what should we do for May 25 and September 25 amendments? In our YouTube channel, we have provided GST amendments for September 25. This video, it is there. Also, there is one more video for May 25 amendments also. So this May 25 CA Inter GST May 25 amendments. So these 2 amendment videos you need to be thorough with. If you have completed your preparation, then you can focus on these amendments. Plus, there will be a exam oriented batch. Free exam oriented batch we have been doing every attempt. So May also we did, that is there in our YouTube channel. In the playlist you can see. So CA Inter GST exam oriented batch for September 25 we conducted, and even exam oriented on GST for May 25 exam also have conducted. So again we are doing a free exam oriented batch from December 1st to December 4, December 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will be live in our YouTube channel, and also we are doing it face to face in Chennai, Mylapore Fine Arts Club. Suppose you don't have time to attend that, but you want to complete your preparation, you can make use of this CA Inter September 25, because I told you practically, as there are no amendments between September 25 and Jan 26. So why should you waste your time? You can complete this revision. This exam oriented batch is for 4 days. I took 4 on an average, each day 8 hours, 8 4s are 32 hours, 32 hours of in-depth knowledge from revised book. We have taken that lecture. You can make use of it. Okay, suppose, sir, I have not prepared properly because the place where I attended the classes or whatever lectures that I have purchased, I have not completed. I mean, like, I'm not happy. So therefore, is there any other way I wanted to learn from the beginning? Yes, you can. You can also buy our classes. So we have released CA Inter GST regular batch, and this will be just 1,999 including GST. So for 4 months validity, 1.2 views, that will be sufficient for you, and you can definitely complete the entire portion of GST in 80 hours. 80 hours means literally you need to spend 2 hours in a day, means somewhere like 40 days. If you spend 4 hours a day, 20 days enough, you can complete this portion. And after this you can do it in October month itself if you have not prepared properly, so that for December 1, 2, 3, 4, you can attend the revision batch, that is exam oriented batch you can attend. And for this batch, you will get resource book, and you can purchase the practice manual and revised book separately. Suppose if you want to purchase only books, yes, you can purchase only books. There are 2 books available for CA Intermediate, and many students gave very good feedback about those 2 books. One is Revise, another one is Practice Manual. So that Revise and Practice Manual, if you are already having book of May 25, September 25, make use of that book. Don't buy any new book. Or if you want, so those who don't have book can purchase it. Next, when it comes to test series, so first we focused on amendments for Jan 26, and second I told you that we are doing a free exam oriented batch from December 1st to December 4th. Then if you want, you can go for our regular classes, and then books. What are all the books that you need to buy for the purpose of effective preparation? Next, so for test series, we are coming out with free test series. So that free test series, so is for, you can just go to brainerytestseries.com. In that, click on courses. you can see CA Inter test series for Jan 26. In this CA Inter test series for Jan 26, the total portion is divided into 3 tests. Test 1 covers few topics. Test 2 remaining topics of GST. The entire portion is divided into 2 halves. So first half, introduction, supply, exemptions, charge under IGST, place of supply and time of supply. Then second test is on the remaining portions of GST, and test 3 will be a full portion test. This test 1 and test 2 will be in 19th October and 26th October, whereas the final test, the mock test, will be on 9th November, which is a 100 marks portion test. So that you can enroll for. It's free enrollment only. You don't have to pay anything for this. You can enroll for this test series and you can write this. And by this time, by 9th November, so the entire test will be completed so that you can be fully prepared. So should I attend the exam oriented batch, which is going to happen from December 1, 2, 3, 4? It's up to you. If you have not performed well, then you can go for this. And how this test series is going to be, will it be evaluated or self-evaluated? I will share with you the suggested answer and explanation video. You evaluate yourself, so you will know what are all the mistakes you have done and what is the marks that you have got. Then depending upon that, you can attend the exam oriented batch also. That is up to you. But already, as I told you, September 25 exam oriented batch is there in the YouTube videos. Then, is this sufficient, sir? Definitely this is sufficient. For indirect taxes, this is really sufficient. So I told you, if you have completed your preparation of attending some batches, regular batches, then you can go for exam oriented batch plus test series plus amendments, enough. Or if you want to start your preparation now, you can go for our regular batch plus all these things are also available for you. Now you decide what is your status of your preparation and accordingly make the informed decision making. So that is up to this for now, and all the best for your preparation. It's not all the best for your exam, it's all the best for your preparation, because for preparation, if the preparation is effective, I always believe in that. If your preparation is effective, if your preparation is so intense, if you are madly preparing, definitely you see the success. I always believe in that. So if our preparation is not up to the mark, we see that in the result. So if your preparation is so effective, definitely you can come out with the flying colors. All the very best for your preparation. Do good, and any doubts that you have, you keep me posted and I will get back to you.